Hey guys, welcome back. In our last video, we learned the structure of the Rubik's Cube. Today, we're going to be actually learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Step 1, the daisy. Yes, added a daisy flower with 4 white petals and 1 yellow center. We will be searching for our daisies in the middle center of the sides. Let's find them. I can't see any here. Not here. Oh, there's a petal right there. How to get it up there? We're just simply going to move it up like that. And there's also another petal right here already. We're going to also move this one up. Now, where are my other petals? Oh, there's one more here. I'm going to move that up. But I can't find the last petal anywhere here. Do you know where it will be? It would be at the bottom of the Rubik's Cube. And ta-da! There it is. But how do I get a petal that's all the way down here, all the way up here? First of all, we're going to match up this petal with the empty spot. So let's see, it's already matched up. Here's the empty spot, and if I look below it, there's the petal. How do I get it up here? All we're simply going to do is a 180-degree turn. And now we made the daisy. Please stay tuned to my YouTube channel and look out for step 2, the white cross. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.